Whenever you install Windows 98 in VirtualBox, you will inevitably find out that the resolution is very low, 640 by 480, 16 colors. In today's tutorial, I will show you where to find a driver and how to install it in order to get better graphics in the VM. Let's get started. You have to download an ISO file, check the description below, then attach it to your virtual machine. Windows 98 should recognize it as a CD-ROM drive. As you can see, there are different folders here. The one we need is 128 MB. Close File Explorer and open the Start menu. Go to Settings, Control Panel. Open Display and go to the Settings tab. Then open Advanced and go to the Adapter tab. This is your display adapter. Click on Change. In the new wizard, click on Next and choose to display a list of drivers. In the next window, click on Have Disk, then click on Browse. In the Drives drop-down, choose Disk D, which is your CD-ROM, then open the 128 MB folder. The vbemp.inf driver should be selected in the left pane. Choose OK, OK, OK again, then click on Next to finish installing the driver. Apply and close, then restart the virtual machine, and as you will see in a moment, the colors are much better than they were before. Let's also adjust the resolution. Right-click on your desktop and open Properties. Choose the best resolution with the slider. Well, maybe not as much. Then apply without a reboot. If you don't know the resolution of your monitor, you can try again until you have found the widest setting that fits. Also, don't forget to enhance your colors to 32-bit. Maybe you'll need to restart after all. As you can see, Windows 98 looks much better. Thanks for watching this video, consider subscribing, and why not watch another one on my channel.